a lot of people have been asking me how to become traders if they start from nothing, having zero idea. Anyone really can become a trader if they want it really bad, from any major. Could be art, could be geography, it doesn't really matter. Even a store manager can become a trader. First of all, you need to educate yourself. You need to start reading several trading books to learn the basics about trading. You need to start learning the platforms that the traders are using, the tools that these platforms have, and also you can learn some candlestick patterns, the candlestick behavior in the market. You can learn about lot sizing, and also some indicators is very useful to learn the applications and the theory behind them. Some examples could be RSI, Bollinger Bands, moving averages, exponential moving averages. There are a lot of things that you can learn in trading. You can learn about Fibonacci retracement levels. It doesn't necessarily mean that you are going to use everything that you are learning, but you can have a broadened horizon and knowledge about trading so that you can create your own strategy based on what you think works in the market so far for you. Guys, if you find it difficult reading books or learning anything from books like me, nowadays you can search any topic you want from Google and learn from there. Or even better, you can go on YouTube and search the trading topic that you want to learn more about. But be careful, because there are so many YouTube channels out there. So you need to find the best YouTube channel like this one that can provide you with the best trading knowledge out there. I trust you guys. You can do this. For now, focus on this. Now that you educated yourself, you need to go and open up a demo account. A demo account is a trading account, but with fake money. This account is the same account that you're gonna use in the future with real money, but now the money is fake so that you can practice right now and figure out how the markets work and figure out your own strategy in the markets. In this account, you need to practice for many months. There is no pressure in the time frame. Only you can figure out when you're ready to trade with real money. A common question that many people are asking is, how much money do I need to put in my first real life trading account? I would suggest you need to be around $2,000 to $3,000, because this amount of money is not a little and it's not a lot, and it's affordable by many people out there that want to start their trading journey. So you need to stick with this number. You don't need to worry about trading profits just yet, because as soon as your account grows slowly, your lot sizing percentage will also increase, and that means that you're gonna get in time more profit. So don't worry about this. This is very important, guys. If you don't do this, you will be surprised with your live trading account and you can lose money so easily. So you need to be careful and make sure that the demo account has the same amount of money with your real trading account that you're gonna put in the future. Now that you did all the heavy lifting, you educated yourself, you opened up a demo account, now you need to create a solid trading plan. This trading plan could have written down your own strategy, the assets that you're gonna trade, the sessions that you prefer to trade. Could be UK session, USA session, overlapping sessions, Tokyo session, it doesn't really matter. It depends on your trading style. Now you can have the lot sizing as well written down. Also, in this trading plan, you can include some basic fundamental analysis to track down news and what's happening in general in the market at any given time. This will help you, and with a single glimpse you can see what's happening to the asset that you are trading and in general to the currency and market that you are trading. Also, another recommendation is that you can include a table with some more statistics. This table can have your target profit, how much are you losing per day, the percentage of success of your winning trades or losing trades. It really depends on you and how much statistics you want in your trading plan. And just a quick reality check, trading needs time, so you need to be patient and don't quit with the first difficulty that you see on your road to success. You shouldn't quit at any point. You could be losing for months and months until you start winning, even on the demo simulation account. So you need to be stubborn with this and stick to it until the end. Trading is something that is actually worth your time. So if you put in the hard work and show up every single day, I promise you, you will be rewarded. Remember, to succeed, you have to want it real bad. I believe in you guys, so go get the lifestyle that you always wanted right now. By the way, if you have any questions about this topic or anything else, you can DM me on Instagram, or you can comment down below the next topic you want me to talk about on my next video. So, thanks for your support guys, and I'll see you on my next video.